Having a Momo party today. Momo Cooking Class at Kiwi Backpackers Hostel. A Momo Cooking Class. Girls are getting ready. Making some momo. So mixing the meat and vegetables. Chicken momo.
Veg.
This is veg ramen. How about this one also veg or chicken?
That one is also veg.
You guys ready for today, momo? So please go wash your hand over there. Getting ready for our momo. Are you girls ready for momo party today? Yes. So these are some ingredients. That's some dough, onion, sesame seeds, cilantro, carrot, cucumber, ginger, and we have the momo masala. For the Momo Cooking Class happening at Kiwi Backpackers Hostel.
Wednesday evening, come on through. Kiwi's got a table for you. Steam on the window, dough in hand. We're learning how to fold them by hand. Little pleats, one by one, passing smiles around the room. Mix it up, press it tight. We're making something worth the night. Momo night at Kiwi. Momo night at Kiwi. Come hungry, leave happy. Momo night at Kiwi. Fresh ones made together.
Turmeric powder. Making some
Hear the
momo.
stories, taste the past.
Mixing the
Nepal's favorite
meat
built to
and vegetables.
last. Laughing staff and travelers too. Everybody's finding someone new. Sauce on the side,
Momo Cooking
hands
Class.
in the
Girls are getting
bowl.
ready.
Warm little bites that steal your soul. Fold it once, then fold it right. We're turning strangers into friends tonight. Momo night at Kiwi. Momo night at Kiwi. Come hungry, leave happy. Momo night at Kiwi. Fresh ones made together. Momo night at Kiwi. Take a seat, let the plates roll in. New faces, old friends again. One more bite, then one more laugh. We always end up sharing half. Momo night at Kiwi. Momo night at Kiwi. Come hungry, leave happy. Momo night at Kiwi. Fresh ones made together. Momo night at Kiwi.
This is veg ramen. How about this one also veg or chicken?
That one is also veg.
Oh, this is also veg. Ah, steaming. You ready to get served? Thank you guys. So these guys are a bit hungry now. So in 5 minutes we're gonna serve the food. The momo.
Very nice.
Which one was you made one? Do you see?
I think I made which one looks best. I made that one.
Here we go. Girls, how's the momo?
So good.